Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at some titanium bolts for our McLaren. So here recently I replaced the air filters on a McLaren MP4-12C. And if you don't know, the McLaren has a V8 engine, a 3.8 twin turbo V8 engine, so the air filters are on both sides. And in order for you to remove them, you actually have to remove the fender liner on the rear wheels. So when I was removing the fender liner, I was looking at the hardware that was coming off, and some of it was rusted. Some of it had surface rust and some was getting pretty rusty. So what I did the next day after I did the air filter is I reached out to McLaren, I'm not gonna say which one, and I asked them for a quote on how much one bolt is in one washer. And if I'm correct, it was close to $10 or more for the combination. I think it was a little bit more. So I was thinking, because I've had a lot of cars, I've done a lot of customization, a lot of things, and I was wondering, what if we got titanium bolts for the fender liner? So what I did is I used my bolt gauge, I measured it, I went on dress up bolts, which is where I usually get my titanium bolts, and I found an equivalent size. And I got them here, and I could tell you already that I really like the look of the titanium bolts. But I wanted to show you real quickly that there's also a minor weight difference. So not only is it gonna look good, it's gonna be rust resistant, it has a really cool, neat design to it, but it's also going to be less weight, and in my opinion that's a win. So let's just show you real quick the difference between the weights of the bolts, and then let's go show you kind of what we've done with them. The original McLaren fender liner bolt consists of a bolt and a washer. We're going to place it in the center and we get 3/8. Now when I remove that, we're going to go ahead and put our titanium one, which consists of a bolt and a washer as well. We're going to put that in the center as well. As you can see, we get a little bit of weight savings there. And we're going to be removing one and installing one, just so you can see. So we remove the bolt and a washer, and now we're going to put our titanium one. And it takes a different tool to put it on. Let me go get it. All right, we're going to be replacing these bottom ones too, but we just want to show you real quickly the difference. It looks a lot better. All right, so I did about half, and I wanted to see how it looks. I wanted to get your guys' opinion, but I like it. Everything went in there smoothly. The bolts all are snug, and I think it looks way more official. It really matches the car. The car is a supercar, and I think this is a great alternative to spending a lot of money for some regular bolts, and when you could get some titanium bolts, which look nicer and they weigh less, if they don't loosen themselves, which I don't think they're gonna do, and everything works out. I think this is a great solution. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm always trying to think creative, trying to think of some ideas, trying to connect the dots, and I think this is a good one. I think this is a success. Well, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe and follow along. We do appreciate that. You guys take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.